Here we go. Let's hope the key works, LOL.
Say it again, say it again. You're saying you're sorry.
Guys, I'm feeling really emotional. I just pulled up to the house for the first time since we got the key, like since this all happened. I have the key. I just am like looking around and I see neighbors like saying hi to each other. I don't know, I'm just feeling so grateful and I'm very excited. So let's go do this home tour. I did not mean for this to be like an emotional thing. I just wish I could explain to you guys how much this means to me, how much I've been struggling with like trying to find a new place, and just, it's a very long story, but I'm going to tell you about it. But let's just get into this house tour because I know that's what you're here for. I'll show you guys the front patio. So first of all, little lavender grows here. Lavender grows here. Look at all these cute little like plants and stuff. Look how big this patio is. There's like, we have our own hose. I have a hose to water these like bushes that are gonna grow and do stuff. It's so nice. And then here is the front patio. Look how big this is, guys. I'm gonna do a whole little sitting area where I'm gonna enjoy my coffee and stuff here every morning. There's this really cute little wreath that's just already on the door. I'm just so excited about these big, beautiful windows. How cute is this roof that looks like a Snow White cottage? You don't understand, this is my dream house. Okay, let's just be, I'll just focus on giving you guys the tour and not my emotional baggage. So here is the living room. I am obsessed with these windows. House was built in 1922, and one of my favorite things about it is all the character that it has. So it has this like original little peephole that if someone's like here, you can open this little thing and be like, who's there? Hopefully it's somebody that has a package for you or a friend that is coming to visit. This is original Art Deco tiling from the 1920s. I heard that it was from one of the guys that founded Art Center. It's so beautiful, love it, so excited just about the history. I wanna put like a really beautiful gold fire grate and maybe like some tools here, but my heart is so warm that it comes with a little fire grate and tools. That's all I've truly wanted. I know it's such a silly thing, but I have wanted a fire grate for so long. Not sure what to do as far as the TV and stuff goes here, whether we put it here or put it here. I don't wanna put it there. I wanna do something artsy and pretty on the mantle, but just wondering, I don't know if we do like an L-shaped couch going this way or this way, kind of trying to envision and not sure how the furniture is going to end up. Love this beautiful archway. I love the architecture of these older bungalow style homes, so pretty. So here is the dining room. I've never had a formal dining room and I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna put a really nice table here where we can sit and, I don't know, work and eat and just do life together and have fun. The dining room leads into this bonus room, so this is technically almost like a fourth bedroom. Planning to use it as an office. So this will be a nice little office. It's got beautiful natural light, and it's gonna be great just to tuck a little desk or something in here and have a little space to work from. Here's the kitchen, and this is just such a big, nice kitchen. There's tons of storage, tons of space, so cute. Very excited about having a dishwasher because I haven't had a dishwasher in a very, very long time. It's got this nice built-in microwave and stove. And so the kitchen leads to the laundry room. which to anyone living in like the Midwest or something is like, oh cool, laundry room, but this is amazing, it's gigantic. Never had a washer and dryer since I've lived in LA, and it's been almost a decade, so that's crazy that I've just been using laundry rooms and like, so we don't have a washer and dryer. I need to get a washer and dryer, but this is just such a big room to like do laundry, like store my packages and stuff that come in, and like have our cleaning supplies. Like this is just, for me, it's a miracle to have this extra room. I'm so stoked. You can see the backyard from here. I will take you guys on a backyard tour maybe another time. It's so cute, and there's actually a little lemon tree back in the corner, and I feel like God brought all these sweet little treats that like after we already saw this, it was like, oh, and I've always wanted a lemon tree. I know that's like crazy, but I like to have lemon water in the morning, and the idea of just like waking up and going outside and picking a lemon off my own sweet little lemon tree, like I'm so happy. I just want to sit outside, enjoy my lemon water, then have coffee and like just spend time outdoors. And I have not had an outdoor space at an apartment I've had for a very, very long time. Also love the idea that this could be like a little kitchen table breakfast nook. We also have so much more room in this corner that I don't know what to do with. So definitely a lot of options. Would love any of you guys' suggestions as you're watching this. Like please vote on the ideas and let me know down in the comments what you think. I think it'd be so cute to do like a built-in like booth here and then have like a little table, but I don't know, does that block this door? I don't know. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go right to this room because I'm very excited about this bathroom. It is so big and pretty and nice. I'm obsessed with the tile. It's so nice. I don't understand how I have such nice new tile, new fixtures. I also wanted a bathtub. That was one of the things I've been wanting, and so I got this tiny little bathtub. It's very small. They call it a cowboy tub. My old place has like a shower bathtub, but it's just not the same because it's like very grody and I would never sit in it. But look, I understand that it's small, but we can do it, look. This is totally fine. It's totally fine. I'm in here and I can't like stretch my legs out completely, but I can just like soak. Can I also just point out these darling crystal doorknobs that I've always also wanted? Now we continue down the hallway on our tour, and I'd love you guys' opinion. My thought, this little room is gonna be the guest room. Currently at my apartment, my guest room and my closet are the same. So I thought that this room would be a perfect guest room because it's kind of small and it only has like this one window. So I thought, okay, cool, this room isn't gonna be used a ton. It's big enough to just put a nice bed and make a really cozy, like nice guest room. But I feel like that is the best use for this room, right? The other one should be the office. It has like a decent sized closet where they can put their suitcase. Oh, we have a rogue little doorknob here. If you guys think that I'm right, comment below. And if you think that this would actually make a better office or closet, let me know. This is just what I'm planning as of now. Okay, and then we have this hallway, a nice closet here, like a built-in where we can put like towels and sheets and stuff like that. At these gorgeous wraparound windows. This is just such a light-filled, beautiful room. It looks like a beautiful patio garden room to me just because of how lovely the lighting is. And just so excited about waking up in this sunshine dream every day. Ooh, looks like the neighbors are fixing to have a party. They're like blowing up a big tent. Does people live there? Is they having a wedding? Do you think they'll invite me? Now you get to see Mama's room. And by Mama's room, I don't mean my bedroom, I mean my closet. My closet. Oh my gosh, it has such good acoustics, I'm dizzy. This is going to be the room of my dreams, unless you guys strongly vote otherwise. This window is gonna be so great for natural light for outfits. This actually leads to the patio, but it doesn't need, it stays shut, like they made it stay shut for safety reasons. And so I'm actually think I'm gonna do built-in closets from this wall and this whole wall and this whole wall. So it's just gonna be one big open closet room.